better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, hey. As you can see from the title, we'll be working with Geeta Hair, and they went ahead and sent me their 6x4 HD lace closure wig unit in 26 inches body weight and 250 density. So this unit from Geeta Hair is really nice and full. You can't see any cracks of light coming through these curls, and that's how you are able to tell this unit is super full. As well as this unit being full, it is also super lightweight and buttery soft. Just in case you are wondering, I'm not getting any excessive texture from this hair. It's really nice and smooth. And in today's video, I pretty much showed you guys how I did this quick and easy glueless install. This unit is 100% glueless. I pretty much just slapped this wig on my head because it is their pre-plucked, pre-cut lace wig unit, so you really don't have to do much. It is super beginner friendly. And let me go ahead and show you guys how to get your curls and body wave unit from Geeta Hair looking just like this. Alright you guys, so I am finally back, and this gorgeous unit is from Geeta Hair. This is a stunning 250 density unit. It is in 26 inches. It is their pre-plucked, pre-cut lace, pre-bleached, pre-everything 6 by 4.5 HD lace closure unit, and this unit is absolutely gorgeous. I'm living for the curls. As you guys could see, I definitely went ahead and pinned these curls up, and I pretty much just gave myself about 10 minutes or so with the curls to set, and then I pull them out of the pin. So just in case you're wondering, don't just pull it out as soon as you curl it. Let it sit, let the heat and the curls set in, and then you can pull it out. And these curls are literally to die for. Such gorgeous curls, and this 26 inches is everything. The unit is literally nice and buttery soft. I can feel the hairs and they just feel like butter sliding through my hands. I'm not having any shedding, any tangling, and this unit is just gorgeous. I'm living for these curls. I did go ahead and put some layers in it just so I could get, you know, somewhat of a like fountain type of wavy look in the front, but this unit is gorgeous and it is still really nice and full. You can tell it's super dense up in here. You're not seeing any cracks or, you know, cracks of light through the back, so that's how you know it's a really nice and dense unit. And it is super lightweight. This cap came with an adjustable strap in the back, and it is really nice and snug. And if you guys are wondering, yes, this unit is 100% glueless. Let me go ahead and just shove the comb up in there and twist it side to side just so you guys can see. Literally 100% glueless, and I'm loving that because you could take this unit on or off at night or whenever you feel like. This unit is just a ready to go and wear unit, and I am loving it. The cap is really just stuck to my head. It's not going anywhere. Like, this unit is everything. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, which is really nice and affordable, from Geeta Hair, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check it out, and as always, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.